Morning, and as a boring hike from Amed, we are going to try another trail. I never did. I did only part of it, but yep, I would like to try something new. Because the main trails becomes boring. We've been doing them like maybe not hundreds of times, but definitely a lot. When there is a lot of grass growing, we lost the trail. Accidentally ended up in some bush. I feel someone been walking here, but we are not really sure. But let's try to break through this one. All right, we found the trail. Back out. Not really out of the bush, but feels more optimistic. Trail walking fun. Always to find out the trail, especially now when it's a rain season and the grass is growing so fast. It's like everything is covered in grass. You have to be local to see them. As more you walk, as more you see them or you feel them. That's the thing. So that's why never ever go hiking in the mountains without experience, because it may feel like a trail, but finally it's just a steep slope and you will just fly. And it's good if it's ending good, because otherwise you are alone, or two of you in the mountains with broken legs or twisted ankles, and that's the whom they're going to scare with this. Yeah, so that's the house. Bungee park. Jumper. All right, here we go. So we left our bike in there, in that place between the ridges. Then we climbed all the way up through the bush, breaking through the bush. We got on our old trail, main trail. And now our plan is to go follow the ridge and go down that one. The last time I did it, it was May last year, and in some point I lost the trail, or there was no trail at all, just because probably it's this grass cut trails which ends up nowhere, and that's the plan. We started our way down, but it's not the trail, it's like a slide. It's so slippery now, and especially all the night being really heavy rain, and there was no time for the trail to dry up, so really challenging. It's like a kind of, we're going down, but I think we're going slower than up. The only thing you can do in this situation is just to make a small steps and believe in God. That's it. This is where we just climbed up like a cliff. Plus now we've been doing it already previously, but now when it's slippery it's double like challenge. So here, really careful. There's a really like a big step. Just think about how you hold on it. Yeah. Yep. And then there's some. Okay. That was a good one. Okay, so now for a while we will enjoy the ridge. It's flat, but then we will start to go down, and that makes me worry a little bit. The good thing about hiking in a rain season is that it's about 9 o'clock in the morning now, and it's still not hot. So when we do hiking during the dry season, if you can call it like that, so then we always trying to start hike really early, so we are back by 8 o'clock in the morning because it's super hot. But now, not bad. Like really comfortable temperature. Oop. I just fall. Okay. It's happened so fast you cannot even react. Still on a proper train through the bush. I hope we will not lose this trail. I don't want to get lost in a bush again. Because you have to understand, it's like to break through this bush is not that easy, because there's a lot of spiky ones, like it just maybe feels it's okay back home, maybe you can break through the bush and it's not a problem, but here it's a nightmare actually. But this is a really solid trail. I thought the trail will be worse. It's absolutely okay.
Yeah, this is getting better.
Yeah. And I think because the grass is growing on it, so then it's not that slippery. We are back on a ridge with no bush, and there is a hope we will get down in some 30 minutes. What I'm happy about actually. So we didn't get lost as I got lost last time. I will post the video from my previous hike in last year May, when I did this trail for the first time. So this one was like kind of really confident hike, probably just because the locals been cleaning the bush, and it was really solid and visible trail when we came down. We decided to walk up a little bit to get some refreshment. Ouch! Oh, feels so good for my legs. Listen, that's a good place actually. Deep enough to sit down. You can swim here. It's a really good refreshment after hiking. So thank you very much for watching my Santa Barbara today again, and subscribe, follow, and see you tomorrow again. Bye. When you cannot sleep, you just come here. Take Hato, Martin.
Hah?
Ya.
Layan.
Layan, oke layan.